Welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be doing Winding Trail in CodeCombat. Now before we get into the video, make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe and help us get to 1,000 subscribers so we do a mini giveaway for you guys, and let's get into it. So Winding Trail hold on. Alright, Winding Trails, the goals is to make your hero survive and get to the end of the path, and the bonus to grab 2 gems. Okay, so let's see. Just like how you build fences, there is a function that you can do called move XY, and then you put in the coordinates. So as it is right here, it said hero.move XY, and then it will go to that coordinate. So you see how it curves. You see how it curves with these blue arrows. So you know if you put hero.move right, he will not. It takes longer for him to actually get up there because he's gonna be going right, up, down, right, up, down, right, up, down. So you had to actually have hero.move XY. So let's try this. So the first one they already did. You got hero.move XY, and it's 36 and 59. So for the next one we have to go to is 37 and 13. So we're gonna go and type in hero.move XY, capital X and capital Y, put in parentheses, and we're gonna put in the coordinates. So the reason why we put hero.move XY is because in this one you're not able to actually put in hero.move right. This is not one of those because you actually have curves. You actually have to make a person walk in a actual type of way. It technically is not like you can move right or move up. It actually is curved, so you gotta make your person walk down the path while it's curving instead of actually having your character just bump into everything while you actually while your code line is just hero.move right and move up. So we got an ogre right here, and we can actually fight him and just get those gems up there. So we're gonna go and let's see. Actually, we're just gonna build a fence because that's what the actual goal is. They said build a fence to stop the ogre, but they got 4 gems right here, so we're not gonna do that. We're just gonna do what it says. So we're gonna go and type in hero.move. No, not hero.move. We're gonna type in build XY. So when you have build XY, that's when you can actually build a fence. So you want to actually put in the coordinates of where the X is, and X is 72 and 25. So you're gonna put 72 first, right? So you want to put 72 first. Wait, hold on. Control Z. Okay. So we're gonna put 72 first. And then you want to put, I think the other one was 25. Yes. So you want to put 25. And after that, we should actually beat it. Let's see what happens. Yes, you can tell that our goals are complete. We grabbed the 2 gems. And our hero is actually going down the path and not actually bumping into anything. Not so clean right there, but you could see what I mean. And yeah, that's technically it. This is the solution for Winding Trails. And honestly, in this one, you're just technically learning how to you're making your hero move in a certain direction instead of making it just move up and down. You're just technically making your character be able to move to a certain coordinate and be able to build in this. So technically, you're just practicing how your character moves to certain coordinates. So that's all we got for you today. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. Don't forget to subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one. See ya.